So today we will be making a coaster, or you can think of it as a coin that has two sides to it. So you can see this is the silver side and this is the gold side. And let's see how we can make it today. So here we go. This is the silver side and this is the gold side. So we will need these materials. A piece of paper, a cardboard, some clear tape, pencil, color pencils with gold and silver. If you don't have gold and silver, you can also use yellow and gray, a Sharpie, a glue, and a pair of scissors. So first, I have a coaster ready. It's a round one, so I'm going to use that as my template to trace my two circles, the two sides of it. Then I'm going to decorate it. The inside has a circle and it also has a border. Now I can also decorate the sides. You can use any kind of decorations you like. I'm using just some lines as patterns. As you can see, some on the left, some on the right, and on the flip side, I use some lines on the bottom part. On the gold side, I'm going to write Jesus on the top in block letters too. And you can try that as well. And Christ at the bottom of my gold coin. After I have finished that, I'm going to draw a cross in the middle. Now, in my other video, I have shown you how to draw a 3D cross. You can also refer back to that. And then I'd like to add some more decorations in the middle. So now I'm adding some triangles so that people focus more in the center. On the silver coin, or the silver side, I like to add a profile of a person's face. Now since it's Mother's Day today, maybe we can draw your mom. In my demonstration here, I just drew myself. Of course, you may draw your mom, since it's Mother's Day. And then we can put a name on top. Now I'm going to use my Sharpie to trace my drawing. Be careful, you cannot erase a Sharpie line, so you have to make sure you're tracing it slowly and carefully. After you have traced your coin, you can color them in. One side is going to be silver. You don't have to worry coloring outside the edge since it's going to be cut out. After I color the gold, I find out that I want to have a little bit more yellow and orange on it. So I added a little bit more yellow and orange on my gold. And then I'm using my clear tape to tape the whole sheet of paper. Or I should say just the coin part. And then I'm going to cut it out now. Cut along the line. Now I have two sides to it. I'm going to use one side and trace it onto my cardboard so that I have a nice circle and cut it out. And the last step is just to glue it on both sides. Make sure you spread the glue evenly and onto the other side. And put something heavy on it and let it dry. And there you have it, a coaster